jobs, travel, and a whole lot of chaos. Welcome to my life on the move. Today, I'll be taking you through my journey as well as my experience for a finished advertisement shoot I shot 3 years ago. Now, don't go anywhere and make sure you stay to the end. Bye!
This is Oyenda Diaries. New vids are dropping every day. Promise to spill the tea of every.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? Just doing this video here. I'm supposed to have done it like when I was in, so like I show you guys how I pack. So I'm going for I'm traveling out of Istanbul. I'm going to Cappadocia, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm going for a finished advertisement shoot, and I'm the main character. So yeah, it just happened to be today. I should have told you guys like how I'm packing. Here's my box. I'm going to be spending like 3 days in Cappadocia. So wish me well. Right now waiting for the taxi, and from taxi I enter the shuttle bus and then we head over. Sadly, I'm not even using the plane. It is what it is, but stay tuned. Bye. Before all of this, we had a photo shoot a day before, and here's how it went. So guys, I am done and I'm going home right now. And hideous. Hi. Hi. And me. Okay.
Everybody say hi.
I told one of the guys and I was like, see, I don't know how I'm gonna shoot under the sun, that my body cannot take it because my body begins to itch me. So they're like, they have cold. The guy said he has cold water. Before I know, they said I should enter the car. Like that's AC. So I'm inside car that have AC. See, I've been using fan. Like I've been pouring water on my face, on my body, like just to get that coolness, you understand? Finally, just like Daniel, I thought they are calling me to set. I was like, wait, I'm not even in the mood. Next thing, come into the car and y'all may see you. Ah, we're so happy, eh? I'm actually so happy. Wallahi, Orufe Mumi, and said it will still be 37 degrees. It's still on 30 degrees. It is hot. Ah, babe, I'm putting water on my body. Like, I was see my face. Look as if I just finished showering. On my hand, on my leg, everywhere. One guy was just looking at me like, ah, this guy is not comfortable. Ah. Too fun around me in the car. We're not like yeah, sorry. Anyways, I'm good. I'm in the car. Anytime they have break, I'll just run inside the car.
Şöyle öne doğru getiriyoruz şöyle. Bu şekilde.
One action.
Kestik. Yapmadı evet. Bir daha söyleyeceğim şimdi. Yes, let's sit down please. And roll camera. 3, 2, 1, action. And cut. 3, 2, 1, action. And cut. Action. Tamam. Tamam. Cut. Sen yanına gidip ben aldım. I'm just gonna say now. Next time.
Hi guys, another day today. I'm about to do my makeup.
HD, 60. Here, like the stability is way better. You see, it's like even when you take the video, it's good.
One, action. Kestik. Yapmadık.
Suyun üstüne, manitin üstüne koyalım. Su güzel.
Kestik. Cut. Three, two, one, action.
Böyle workshoplar gibi. Yani böyle
3, 2, 1, action.
Body güzeldi yani. Yeah, some part but yeah, also to my mouth.
we have Durex, we have
Why? Wow. Do you use it?
You see me? No, I'm here. Okay.
Hepsi çalışıyor.
Yok ben takacağım mı olmadı.
Hey, you guys forgot me.
Introducing Finish Ultimate. Engineered for the ultimate clean and the toughest conditions. Dry burnt-on stains. Old dishwashers. Very hard water. Even when you skip the rinse. Its new CycleSync technology releases the right ingredient at the right time. And Finish Ultimate breaks down stains, cuts grease, and boosts shine for the ultimate clean, even in the toughest conditions.
And finally, it was a wrap. That's the picture, and I was so many of my cast members, and just pictures, those pictures time, and
the next
that was
day
it.
I was
So we headed back to the hotel, and go home. Thank you guys for watching.